Nagpunta kami sa dealership sa place nyo, and we were inquiring. I never hesitated na, okay, dito na tayo. Huwag na tayong umalis. So, alam mo yon. So, I made na a negotiation na I'll purchase. Doon pa lang from the get-go pala, alam mo na that you'll feel as a customer, you'll feel value. It's new in the market, and we're used to the more familiar names when it comes to car. Pero we did research based on those are the things we base after service, availability of the part, even yung comments or feedback. Those are the most important things. Although a car for us is utility lang siya. It'll take us from point A to point B, but we also have to consider if it's value for money. Why we consider Cherry na parang okay, let's think out of the box, not go for the regular, the usual. Let's try this and see if it what it promises, what it advertises, totoo. So, totoo siya. So, we've been to South, Tagaytay, Antipolo, and so far hindi niya ako binibigo sa mga uphill. I tried yung auto mode, I tried yung mga things nyo dun for uphill. Wala naman. Maganda siya for long drive. Matipid siya. Unlike, well, syempre, I think it's very common sa mga kotse. Pero yung long drive, matipid siya, tas yung hatak niya is malakas. I think yun lang, yung adjustment lang. Pero smooth driving, the CVT is good. May drive mode siya di ba? Pero once you get to know yung timpla ng sasakyan, ayun yung the best. Yung specifically your QC, yung branch nyo, Because yung after sales, even before I was inquiring about it, and typical na nag-i-inquire, makulit, di ba? So I had a lot of questions. I never had that feeling na naiinis na or nabubuisit na kayo kung sino man yung sumasagot sa akin dun sa mga inquiries. I never had any bad experience with your dealer, yung branch nyo. Regardless of what time, shout out to Ed. Minsan nate-text ko siya, hindi ko napapansin, 10 o'clock na pala. It was quite late. Sasagot siya. For my inquiry, for any, you all attend to it. Lahat kayo, no exemption na as soon as I enter the door, kahit yung security guard nyo, it was like, maganda yung after service. Recommended ko yan. Yung service nyo, yung people itself. Kasi, it's genuine that you're into customer service. Pero kasi sa inyo, you were into service na talagang willing kayo to assist. And walang discrimination. I went there ng mukha akong mayaman, nagbihis talaga ako. And then I even went there ng nakapambahay lang. Yung service na ino-offer nyo is the same. You don't look into parang wala namang pera or parang hindi kayo papansin or deadline. No. Yun yung gusto ko sa after sales. Because all of my experience with your after sales, every time I would go there, whether I would inquire personally or not, I would get the same treatment. You just keep up what you're doing. Kasi, you're doing a good job. That's what good customer service is. Parang mindset nyo is parang every sale would be a good customer service experience, regardless whether you'd make a sale or not. So, ganun na. So, just keep it up. Okay. Hi, I'm Jerry, and I'm a proud Tigo owner.
Alagang SJ Auto Group.